Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Raihan Suryono. Also, you can call me Hans. Today, as the leader of Group 5, I will present our group project. There is a bulletin board called Postly. First, me as the as the team leader, also working in the front end, and then there is Ria as the front end, Qila as the front end, Raihan as the back end, Ubai as the back end, and Aurick as the back end. So first thing first, in this bulletin board, you can see all the posts that has been posted by other people by post. Um, Also, you can write your own post, uh, whatever you were thinking, or if you have any problem. First, you can start by making your own account, entering your full name, and then the email, password, and then click check the aggregator most service and then sign up. After that, you can enter the email and the password. Now, in this site, there are some page that are required for you to log in. For example, this one, you can also change your full name and your bio here. Also, you can see the activity history of your account and then start your own article. And if you haven't login, you cannot uh, input the article. It will throw you here again. And also you can log in using the Google account. For example, this one. Continue with Google. Use your Google account, and then it will go back here. And some of the page that are required for you to log in are this one. It will be protected by routes, is history, read article, and profile, and also create post. Next will be the post and the comment. Ria?
So the first thing you can log in your account. Or you can continue with the Google. So after we log in with Google account, we can start writing the article. First, you can click button start writing, and then you can fill the form. Also, you can add the text, and you can fill the content. After that, we can click the publish article button, and then your article is published now. Here's the post of the article. So after that, we can go to profile and the activity history. So this is my post. We can view the post. After that, we can edit the post. For example, I delete the 321 and then I click the publish button again. So my post is successfully edited, and we can see in homepage. For the change, I changed the test 1 to 3 to the test, and we can also delete the post of the article. Okay, we can see the our my post. Sorry. So we can delete the post. My post is deleted, and we can see in the homepage again. My post is also gone, and next we can comment.
Okay, so for the comment section, as a user, we also can like socializing in case we have an opinion or argument to the others people post, like here the Ubai post, we can leave a comment here and then post it. Yeah, the comment post. And the comment also we can see in our history activity in this section. Yeah, it's show in here, and then also like article before we can also editing our comment like here. Save. Yeah, the comment already update, and also we can delete it here. See here. Yeah, the comment already removed. Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to quick share and explain to you about in the back end in the code. So first of all, we have a bunch of folder in here. As you can see, there's a config, controller, middleware, um, models, and then routes and index.js. I'm not gonna explain it everything because I just want to explain only for config, controller, and model. So the rest of it will be explained by my friend Aurick. So first of all, we have a config. So in the config folder, there's a db.js file and there's a passport.js. In here, we can see there's the connection to the database. So we're using the MongoDB as a database in here. And there's the passport.js. So we're using the passport to as a library to connect the email, the account to make an account like that. In here you can see there's the passport like email and password. In here we can uh, fill it, and then there's the authentication in the below of it like this. And then there's the controller. So there's a bunch of several controller in here. Uh, the first, there's the authentication controller. So in the auth controller, we can see the function of register to make a new account. If we new in that website, we can use a register to make a new account. And then there is the login. If we already have account, we can go login in here. And then there is the function logout. So if there is any login, there's a logout also. And then there's the get profile to if we want to know what profile inside of it, we can go to get profile, and there is update profile. So we can update our profile if you want to. And then we have a Google Auth to make the authentication. We can use login using a Google account. Okay, next is a command controller. So in here, there's the get comment by post. So we can use a data to get all the data in the comment section, like the Qila has just do it. Then there is the add a comment, add a new comment, and then there is a delete comment if you want to delete our comment. And then there is the password air controller, so we can use in here. We're using the note mailer to send email, and then we have a service in here. We using Gmail service. And then there is the function of forgot password if we forgot our password, of course. And if so, we can click it in the front end, and then there will be Gmail, and then the Gmail is to verify to reset token. So if we click it, then there will be a link to reset the password in here. And then there is the post controller. In the post controller, like Ria has just do it. There is the get all posts, so we can get all the data of the posting, and then the get post by slug. It's almost the same actually, but this is to filter to sort the post, and then there's the create post to make a new post, and then there is the update post, and then the delete post if you want to update the post and delete our posts. Next, we have a model. So in the model, we have a comment, post, reset token, and user.js. In here, we have a scheme of the comment section. In here, we can see the post, the author, content, parent likes, and is deleted. So this the and then we can see the type in here, like the content likes. The type is string in content, likes is number, and then boolean is in delete. And then there is the post. So in the post scheme, there's the title, slug, content, author, comments, and then etc. like this. And the reset token. In here, we can see the scheme of the reset token. We use user ID and the token. And then there's the expired at. So we make sure that the token itself it's expired in 1 hour. And then the last, there's the user scheme. Of course, there's the full name in here. We're using type string, and then the password. Same also, we use the type string. And then there's the out 0, email, bio, provider, reset password token, and then the expire. So there's the from me, so we can go in the middleware routes and the indexes by Aurick. You can go Aurick.
So hello everyone, I am Aurick and now I will show you about another things of the backend. First we can start with the index.js. In the index.js itself, of course, we also have some basic setup and we initialize the Express server and enable JSON parsing. And second, there's course. And it allow requests from the front end and enable cookie or session to be shared between front end and the back end. And this is the session and the MongoDB store, which is it will set up user sessions so login data can persist. Stores those sessions in MongoDB instead of memory, which keep user login even if the server restart. And then we have the passport authentication. By enable passport.js to handle authentication, it also keep users logged in across different route using session. And then this is the route to the post comment. So it will connect to the app to the different route model. This is the for the authentication, like login register, and this is to post so this is the to post management, and then this is to the comment management, and then this is some data connection and server start, like this connect to MongoDB, and it and it will show the run of the Express itself, and it will show this in the terminal. And then we move to the middleware, which is the out.js. In the middleware itself, so we declare and export the function named is authenticated. So it can be used in another file as a middleware. And then there's an function from passport.js. So it will checking if the user is already logged in or not. If the user is still not logged in yet, it will be message unauthorized. And after from the middleware, now we can move to the root, which is the authentication root. From the root itself, we import all the controller function from outcontrol.js. So the user can register, log in, log out, and anything else like that. And we also import the middleware to check if the user is already logged in or not. And we can, and this is the import. So it will import the controller to get the feature, which is the feature is the forget password. So if the user forget the password, it will check for the token. And then there's a route to define the endpoint that will export and use in index.js or in index.js. And this is the another route to register, route to login, authentication, and also route to log out. And there's a route for profile also. And not only that, there's a route for the forget password, reset password, and verify the token for the password. And after the authentication, we can move to the command route, which is there's also we import not only Express, we import the controller also from the command control.js. The control is here, and then we import also the middleware to check the user login or not, and we made the router new inside route from Express that will it will work like mini server to gain all the endpoint that about the command. And then so this is some the endpoint with any method like from with the get method and post method and also put method and the delete method. And then we can move to the post route. On the post route itself, like same like all the route before, we import all the controller from the controller itself. This is the post route, so this import for the post controller, and then make the router also, and then it define the route, and then it will define the route also based on the ID, and it will get all the posts with method get. So this is all the router at the post router, yes. So maybe that's all about the backend that I have already explained. And then we can move to the my friend next, Ubai.
Ubai still muted.
Sorry. Alright. My name is Ubai, and I will explain how to reset password. So first, the user must be logged in, and so there can be go to the profile page in here, and in here we can click the send password reset link. All right. That's failed because before I already send the password user password reset link in here. So after the user click the button, he must get the email that's email serves as both a notification and verification step. So its primarily component is a unique randomly generate link contain a secure token. So if the user click it, he can direct to the dedicated page for resetting their password, and I will fill the new password with Kada and confirm with Kada too. So we click the submit button. After that, we will go to the sign in page again. So we must sign in again with the new password like Kada and click sign in. And yeah, you already reset your password. Maybe that's all for the reset the password. And next.
Okay, that is presentation for our group 5 for the bulletin board mostly. If you have any comments regarding the site or suggestion about the site or our group, you can leave the comments down below. And that is from me, the group leader of group 5, Raihan dan Smalendra. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye everyone.